Oshkosh is one of those places that doesn't even need an introduction. I mean, whether it's your first time or your 20th, you circle this week on your calendar a year in advance, and it's nothing short of a holiday when it finally comes around. But if you're like most people with school, work, or just the general craziness of life, you only have 2 or 3 days to try and pack everything in. These were the 3 days that we spent at Oshkosh 2019. There are probably 30 plus performers at Oshkosh, and each and every one of them are exciting to watch. There's always one demo that stands out for being the loudest, most intense, most beautifully obnoxious airplane on the grounds at any air show it attends. I mean, come on, who doesn't love the Raptor?
Artistry of this aerial ballet